Why are you waiting to close the deal? Add Oneflow to your Upsales and discover the magic of truly digital contracts. Thanks to our integration, an automated contract for your soon-to-be signed deal is just a few clicks away. Here we have a verbal agreement that we can send a contract to seal the deal. Click Send E-sign. You can add more recipients. Click the box Switch to Opportunity Stage if signed, if you wish. Select the pre-made Oneflow template that suits this deal, and then click Create E-sign. Now a Oneflow contract is created and automatically filled with the key data points from Upsales. You can attach a comment to the proposal, then send. Your counterparty will receive an email with the proposal immediately. The contract is now stored in the deal's profile inside Upsales, where you can easily keep track of the process. Oneflow allows you and your counterpart to comment and negotiate directly in the contract in real time, so you can easily make changes, remove all the friction, and spend less time on the process. When your counterparty has signed, Oneflow sends you an email, and you also get the notice inside of Upsales. You're now able to sign the contract yourself, just like magic. Fight friction and be more effective with truly digital contracts that make work faster and life easier. Try Oneflow for Upsales today.